No.
So if we like something to eat first, we have menu on the table. Please take a look.
And it was a training aspect class number 9. Nice to meet you everyone. And everyone, I hope you are having fun on the tour of Vietnam and learning all about our culture and history. And we would like to thank so much to G Adventure and their foundation Planetara, who has been a great partner of this and has supported us in putting together the Noodles of cooking class today. And you know, this cooking class is specially designed for you, traveler from G Adventure. So I hope you will enjoy it and learning more about special noodles in Vietnam. And I would like to overview the noodles of noodle cooking class today. We have 3 parts. The first part will tell you about many kinds of rice noodles in Vietnam, especially in Hoi An, Thailand. And the second part, I think this is the most interesting part because you will become a real Vietnamese noodle maker. So it means that you will practice making rice noodle and later you will enjoy yourself make rice noodle. As the last part, we would like to bring a table and serve you quả noodles, one of specialty of Hoi An, and it's served with pork, shrimp, carrots, and some Vietnamese herb. And I believe that you will never forget it because it's really tasty. And as you see on the wall, we have 3 posters about the noodles. You can take a photo, bring it home, and follow a recipe to make your own rice noodle. And maybe in the future, who knows, you can open your rice noodle store in your country. Or you need bathroom, please go straight this way. That's the corner and the bathroom on your left hand. And before we get started, I want to tell you a little bit about our program. Streets is a non-profit social enterprise to help workers like us to have career in hospitality and culinary industry. And we learn to become a waiter, waitress, or become a chef. During the course, we are providing healthcare, 3 meals a day, accommodation, especially everything is free. And after 18 months, we will get a certificate and then go for a job in top 10 5-star hotel or resort around and over Vietnam. And as you know that nowadays, English is a main language which helps us to communicate with people all around the world like you. It's also a good key for us to improve our job. So that is the reason why most of the time as Swiss, we're spending on learning English. As the Noodles of the cooking class, which you are joining today, is one of our special program, which not only has masteries, but also help us to practice our English, build up confidence. So everyone, during the time you are with us, if we make something wrong or pronounce some words wrong, please feel free to help correct us. We are very happy to learn from you. So everyone, could you please say yes?
Yes.
Thank you very much. And to help you learn more about our program, I want to show you a short documentary video. And after watching, if you have any question, please ask me. Thank you very much.
My name is Châu, C-H-A-U. Can you repeat my name, please? Châu. Thank you. I'm 22 years old and I come from Quảng Nam province. I was a trainee actress last night. I already graduated about 3 months ago. Nice to meet you, everyone. Today I'm really happy to stand here and tell you some kinds of rice noodle in Hoi An. So, you ready?
Yes.
Firstly, this cao lầu. Can you say?
Cao lầu.
Cao lầu.
Cao lầu.
Can you say louder, sir?
Cao lầu.
Good Vietnamese. Can you take a look and pass around, please? Cao lầu is a specialty of Hoi An. You just only find it in Hoi An and nowhere else in Vietnam has it. Because two old family can make it. They use secret recipe and special ingredients like water taken from barley well An ancient well that is more than 1,000 years old, but it's really fresh and sweet. And from the ash is taken from Cham Island, small beautiful island near Hoi An. That's the reason why when you eat it has a little bit chewy and smoky flavor. And you see it has brown color, that is natural color from the ash. And we serve khao lao with char siu pork, crispy croutons, and some vinegar. It's really delicious. Have you ever tried it?
No.
You should try it one more time when you come to Hoi An. The second one is me. This is bánh cuốn. Can you say?
Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn.
It's me, sir. Can you say it?
Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn is a steamed black noodle originally come from the north of Vietnam. As you can see, it's very nice because it has two colors inside, orange and black. Sam, what can you guess? What vegetable are these two colors made from? Carrot. Yes, exactly. Carrot. How about black color? Beans. No, okay.
Black beans.
Sorry, no, there's a vegetable.
Oh, vegetables. Oh, okay. Mushroom.
Yes, mushroom. Black color made from ear mushroom, where you know carrots and ear mushroom are very crunchy. So when you eat it, it makes your mouth noisy, very fun. And we serve bánh cuốn with sweet and sour fish sauce and some vinegars. Bánh cuốn.
Bánh cuốn.
The third one.
Phá.
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 No.
Phở.
Phá. Phá. Phá.
Sorry, no. Phở.
Phở.
Can you say again, please? Phở. Yes. Have you ever tried phở?
Yeah.
Oh, where did you try it?
Noodles of them.
Sorry? Oh, where did you try it? In Vietnam? Yeah.
Quê.
Delicious? Yeah. You know, phở, very popular in Vietnam. Most people in different areas will serve phở with different broth and noodles. And I will tell you, phở in the north and the south, like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, is very fresh and soft. When you see phở in Hoi An, it's hard and dry. So when you cook it, you need to dip it in the boiling water first before eating to make it soft. And in Hoi An, we just serve phở with slices of dry beef in beef broth and some peanuts on the top.
They have some. Pass it back to. Pass it back to them.
And the next one is bún. Can you say?
Bún.
Bún. Say louder. Bún. Yes. Bún looks like initially people let the rest think about 24 hours. So it's fermented to give it a special taste. And when you eat it, it's a little bit sour. And we serve bún with grilled chicken, grilled pork, or clam fish. Or if you are vegetarian, you can serve bún with tofu and soy sauce. It's really yummy. The last one is Quảng noodles. In Vietnamese, we call it mì Quảng. Can you say?
Mì Quảng.
Mì Quảng.
Mì Quảng.
Can you say louder, sir? Good Vietnamese. Mì means noodle, Quảng means Quảng Nam province, which is here. So mì Quảng is very popular in Hoi An. And to make it really simple but really interesting, my friend will show you later. Everyone, and after finishing the cooking class day, you will enjoy mì Quảng served here. And I'm sure you will love it because it's really delicious. Okay, everyone, now can you guess the main ingredient to make this noodle?
Rice.
Rice,
Water.
water,
Salt.
salt.
No.
We just need rice and water. And here we have two kinds of rice. This one is cooking rice. It's long. After cooking, it's soft. Tastes really good, but it's not sticky enough to make this noodle. So that's the reason why we have the second one. This is seared rice. And in Vietnamese, we call it gạo xịt. Can you say?
Gạo xịt.
You should smile when you say xịt. Say again, please. See, so many lovely smile. Gao xiet in short, after cooking each tray, tastes good too. And it's sticky enough to make these noodles, so we choose that one to make rice better. Now I'm going to tell you how to make rice better. You can take a look at the second poster. Rice better recipe. We take 2 parts of water and 3 parts of seed rice, combine together and let it rest about 5 hours or overnight. And then you have a mixture, and you put mixture into stone grinder to grind it. Or now you can use blender to blend it. And then you have rice batter like this. You can see? It's just from rice and water. Very smooth and looks like fresh milk. And to make rice noodle, we use 2 special tools, which is special name. This ladle is made from coconut, so we call it? Yes, coconut ladle. We use this one to take our rice batter. And the second one is stick, it's made from bamboo, so we call it? Bamboo stick. We use bamboo stick to take our rice noodle. Okay everyone, you have already know the main ingredient to make this noodle, how to make rice batter. Now my friend will show you how to make rice noodle. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Thảo, T-H-A-O. I'm 21 years old. I'm come from Hanoi province. I'm a junior in class number 10 at Street. Nice to meet you everyone. Today I will show you how to make 2 kinds of noodles in Vietnam. The first is plain steamed flat noodle with 1 layer, and the second is plain steamed flat noodle with 2 layers. But before we get started, I would like to tell you a little bit about food safety. The most important thing we learn at street are handling raw meat, how to label food, and how long it safe to have food at room temperature. And another thing that is very important, everyone, what should we do before you touch the food? Wash your hands. Yes, exactly. That's the reason why I have some special napkin here. And now I will use this one to wash my hand first, and later you also use one to wash your hand before you practice making noodles. So please wait a moment.
Everyone also have the camera here so that you can see more easier. Thank you.
Hello everyone, can you see my face? So the first I take the coconut ladle and stir the rice batter well. Everyone, you should stir it very well because at the bottom is very sticky. And now I take a little bit of rice batter like this. Everyone, you can see. I take the lid off and put it on the napkin. I pour the whole rice batter in the middle. I use the bottom of the coconut ladle and spread the batter until it looks like a circle. Yes, very nice circle. And now I cover with the lid. Everyone, do remember to cover the hole here. Keep enough steam inside to make the noodle well done. You can try this at home, everyone. You put a fabric over a box of boiling water, then you make it tie with a band or a string. Everyone, if you look carefully, you can see the noodle change color, which means it's well done. So I think the noodle is well done now. I take the lid off and put on the napkin. I take the bamboo stick and dip it in the boiling water. Then I put it under the rice noodle. Go straight. Move to the left. I put it again and move to the right. Now I put it under again and slowly pick it up. Yes. Everyone, you can see it has a long side and a short side. Now I put the long side down first and close it. So everyone, now it's time to make steamed black noodle with 2 layer. But this time I need a person who volunteered to help.
Oh, sounds
Yes.
good.
Take out. So now can you stand here? Then you use your hand, move this side, put in the middle here. Yes. Yes. And put it in the middle. Yes. Yes, that's right. And you use the brush here and spread some oil on it. Yes. Spread the whole surface. That enough. And now turn the handle clockwise. Yes. Yes. Everyone, you can see the noodle is coming. Thank you, sir. And now we have quảng noodles. In Vietnamese, we call it mì quảng. Can you say? Mì quảng. Mì quảng. Mì quảng. Yes, thank you. You can taste it.
Can I taste it?
Yes. How's it? You can share it with your friends. Thank you very much.
So everyone, what do you think about making rice noodle?
Easy.
Yeah, very easy. So and now it's time for you to make your rice noodle. So please stand up and put your chair in. My friend will decide your hand is make it. Thank you very much.
Have some.
That's quite nice actually. I'm starved if I had to do that every time.
You have to go through all this. Yeah.
For us to eat until
Then you take a little bit of rice water.
this enough or
Too
too
much,
much?
too much. Yes. And then you pour the whole in the middle. Oh, and spread it. Oh, a big noodles mix.
Yeah. Yeah, I am. I'm hungry.
Remember, cover the whole here.
Oh.
Yes. So everyone, while waiting for the noodle well done, I would like to tell you how to count down in Vietnamese from 5 to 1. So raise your hand, please. 5,
Nam,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Sẵn sàng. Yeah. Sẵn sàng means ready.
Oh.
So now I think the noodles we are done. You take the lid up and put it on the napkin.
Oh, 5 seconds.
Yes. No, you dip it in the boiling water first. And then you dip it under. Go straight. Move to the left. Dip again.
Oh, you got
Dip again.
too thick.
Move to the right. See, make a big noodles.
Yeah, thick because
And careful when you bring it.
I gotta dip it. Okay?
Leave it slowly. Yes, and pull down. Down that side first. Yes. Put here, miss to roll it. Yes. Roll it.